In this video, I'm going to walk Windows users here at Gus Davis how to get GusMail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive as icons on their taskbar down below down here. This makes these applications run like their own application in their own window rather than having a browser window open with multiple tabs for each one of those different tools. So the first thing we want to do is make sure we're using Chrome and open up Chrome, and we want to go ahead and type in gusmail.gac.edu to go to our GusMail site. Once you're navigating here, sign in if you need to using your Gus Davis username and password and using two-factor authentication. Once your email opens, we want to go ahead and click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and we want to go down to More Tools and then click on Create Shortcut. From here, we want to give it a name. You probably want to call it either GusMail or Gus Davis Adolphus College Mail, and we want to go ahead and click on Create. Now, if I minimize this, I will see this shortcut down on my desktop now. I'm going to go ahead and double click to open it, and you'll notice it'll open up my mail in a browser window for me. What I'm going to do is I'm also going to navigate and put in my Google Calendar in here as well. So to get to my Google Calendar, what I want to do is I want to go up to the Google Apps icon, which looks like a checkerboard. I'm going to click on that and open up my calendar. Now this is completely optional, but if you'd like that icon down below to open up your calendar, again, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your calendar, then go to the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner, go down to More Tools, and then click on Create Shortcut, give it a name, and then go ahead and click on Create. I'm going to do the same thing for my Google Drive. So again, I'm going to go over to my apps, my Google Apps. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to navigate to the Drive. Once I'm in my Google Drive, I want to go ahead, again, go up to those three little circles, go down to More Tools, and click on Create Shortcut. Give it a name, and click on Create. Now, if I minimize my browser, I can see that I have my GusMail, my calendar, and my Drive located on my desktop. Now, if I open these open as a web application. There's one more step I need to do to have these open as their own individual window. So to do that, I want to go ahead and open up my Chrome again. I'm going to open a new tab, and up in the address bar, I'm going to type in Chrome://apps and press enter. You will notice my icons here for my GusMail, my calendar, and my Google Drive. What I want to do is I want to click on my GusMail, right-click on my GusMail, and I want to check Open as Window. If you want to check it, you can right-click again. Make sure that that is checked. Want to do the same thing for my calendar, right-click and choose Open as Window. Right-click on my Google Drive, Open as Window. Now when I go ahead and minimize and I see these icons on my desktop, I'm going to go ahead and open one. And instead of opening as a browser window, it will open in its own window just for mail. I'm going to scoot that out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and open up my calendar. And I'm going to notice that my calendar opens in its own individual window. And I'm going to do the same thing for my Google Drive. So I'm going to open up all three. And you'll notice they all act independently in their own windows. Now once I have them open, you'll notice down on my taskbar, I will see my GusMail, my calendar, and my Google Drive. To pin these down to my task pane, what I want to do is I want to right-click down here on my task pane on my GusMail, and I'm going to go ahead and click Pin to Taskbar. I'm going to do the same thing with my calendar. Going to right-click and choose Pin to Taskbar. Going to go to my Google Drive, right-click, and choose Pin to Taskbar. Now when I close these windows out, I will still have these located down here on my taskbar, so if I want to access my mail, my calendar, or my Google Drive quickly, I can do it just from a click of a button. If you should have any questions on this process, please give the helpline a call at 507-933-6111. Thanks so much.